Good morning, my little juicing beauties. Today's juice recipe, don't really have a name for it. So, I don't know, maybe you can think of one. This juice recipe yields roughly 4 cups. And it consists of 1 huge wedge of watermelon, 2 apricots, 3 pears, and 1 apple. And then, after I finish tasting this, which I'm going to do now, I'm going to add a squeeze of lemon juice. Not an actual juiced lemon from the juicer itself, but out of a bottle. Unfortunately, I don't have lemon juice. You know, real lemons. But I have a substitute. So here goes the taste. This is, very good. Now, I've gotten my lemon substitute. So I'm going to drop a little bit in here, just to see how that would make it taste. And now I'm going to blend it again. And yes, I'm the only one that drinks this, so. And here it goes. The lemon juice actually enhances some of its sweetness, and it doesn't take away from its original taste. So, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And I'll just probably call this Refreshment Splash. I don't know. Tell me if you like that name. Peace out and have a blessed day.